Hi, my name is Evelina Wallace, also known in the BYUI system as Evelina Calder. Until recently, I worked at a place called Old Mill Center for Children and Families. They have several programs there, and the program I chose to focus on is the Relief Nursery program. I chose to research an outreach worker. The Relief Nursery program is a child abuse prevention program. The hours of an outreach worker are typically from 8 to 4 or 5. Monday through Friday. Some outreach workers may only work for 32 hours a week. An outreach worker goes into the homes of at-risk families and assesses their needs. An outreach worker has to use their own cars, but they do typically get reimbursed for travel. Some of the stressors for an outreach worker is that they go into homes of many low-income families and they see many conditions that are not very healthy or safe for children. They're dealing with families who are at risk for child and drug abuse, so they deal with people who are struggling to change. Though rewarding, it is also stressful. At times, it's hard to find resources for the families and to connect them with agencies that can help, or the families may refuse help. They also have to report things to DHS, and that adds stress. An outreach worker has to work to remain calm and positive and find ways to encourage people who are struggling. At our agency, the benefits are partial paid medical and dental. They receive paid time off based on the time they have been there, up to 2 days a month, and paid holidays. Some of the common job tasks are home visiting. They plan and implement developmentally appropriate activities for families to use in the home and or at respite care. They assess children's development using ages and stages questionnaires and ages and stages social and emotional questionnaire. They have to communicate information related to the children to community agencies and other professionals as needed to ensure comprehensive services are provided. They provide evidence-based parenting education to parents through home visits. They ensure that information regarding child's assessment goals and progress is regularly conveyed to parents. They attend meetings with parents, group staff, mental health therapists, and parent educator in an effort to better support the needs of families. And they have to keep family files maintained and up to date, including health records, permission forms, and releases. They should be good communicators. The educational requirements for this job are a bachelor's degree in early childhood education and or a bachelor's degree in a related field with early childhood experience. They also have to engage in 25 hours of training per year. The starting salary is $27,000 a year, and for an experienced outreach worker, it's $40,000 a year. The relief nurseries are a growing trend currently and are receiving a lot of attention and funding from Oregon's legislature and seem to be a growing field in this area as well as in the nation. And that is a little bit about an outreach worker. Thanks.